Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube channel. Today, I'm not talking about construction equipment. I'm talking about my Traxxas TRX4 Bronco RC rock crawler. And today, I want to do an update to the lighting video that I made previously. I am using this GT5 FlySky transmitter instead of the standard Traxxas transmitter with this. And by doing that, the lighting kit is only set up to work with the Traxxas module. So I figured out a way to wire everything up, which you can see in the first video I did about this. I wanted to do an update with this video because a guy named Barry Seals sent me a message in the comments to show me how to get almost all of the lights working except the blinkers. And I am going to show you how I did that. So inside of this lighting kit here, when I did the first video, there's a white wire that goes in the G right here. And I disconnected that wire because when it was on, both the high beam and low beam were on at the same time. So Barry told me how to hook that wire back up. And then that way I can rifle through all the different functions of the lights. So I did hook that back up and I'm going to show you the results. First, on this lighting module here, there is a mode button, and there's a signal button. And so that's how I'm going to be able to rifle through the lighting functions. And with that, I have this turned on. As you can see, let me back this up. As you can see right now, I believe I have on the low beams and the hazard lights. This signal button inside of here, the one closest to the battery, when I push that button, that's what makes the hazard lights blink. And I like to have those on all the time. If I push the mode button, right now this top LED is on, which is probably the high beam. No, the upper one is the low beam. The bottom one is the high beam just turned on. So both of these are on. If I push it again, then all the lights are off except for the hazards, which I turned on earlier. And when the hazards aren't on, you got your daytime running lights only. Probably kind of hard to see because it's washing out my camera lens, but I'll tell you what you get. This is daytime running lights only. Low beam and the daytime running lights got duller. High beam and low beam and the lower beam daytime running lights. And now it's just daytime running lights, which are pretty light. If I turn on the flashers, daytime running lights are off and only the yellow hazard flashers are on. High beam is on, the yellow hazard flashers, and the daytime running light, only the circle around the headlight is on. High beam, low beam, and only the circle of the daytime running lights are on. So using the buttons that are on the lighting module itself, that's how you can toggle through all the different lighting modes to get them to work the way you want. The only things that do not work are the turn signals, and they are not even wired up to work because that was something that was built into the Traxxas receiver. But also you can see in the back of here, Only the yellow lights are flashing when I don't have any of the headlights on. And when I've got the headlights on, we got the tail lights on the outside and the yellow flashers in the back. So use the lighting module to choose how you want the lights to go. I'm glad he let me know about that because I definitely are going to run it with the hazards on, which I didn't know how to turn on previously. So that's my video for today. If you like what you saw, click like. Feel free to share it. And I will talk to you later if something new comes up. Peace.